In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two buttons side by side in Mailchimp. Whether you're creating an email campaign to promote your latest product or sending out a newsletter, adding side by side buttons can greatly enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your content. Let's get started by logging into your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, find the campaign that you want to edit, or feel free to start fresh with a new one. Once you've selected the campaign, click on Edit Design. This will open up the design editor where the magic happens. Now, to give your email a structured layout with side-by-side buttons, we need to add a multi-column section. Look for the column layout options within the editor. Drag a 1-1 column layout into your email where you envision those buttons sitting. This layout will create two equal columns side by side, providing the perfect space for what's coming next. With our columns in place, let's move on to adding the buttons. Grab a button block from the options and drag it into the first column. It's time to get creative. Customize this button by choosing your preferred text, color, link, and size. Make it stand out and align with your brand style. Once you're satisfied with the first button, it's time to give the second column some attention. Drag another button block into the second column and again, let your creativity flow as you customize it independently. This is a great opportunity to perhaps offer different calls to action or links to different sections of your site. We're almost there, but there's one more crucial step to ensure everything looks polished and professional, adjusting the spacing and alignments. Click on each button and use the editor to tweak the width, padding, and alignment. You can align your buttons to the left, center, or right within their columns. Adjusting these elements will help your buttons not only look symmetrical, but also responsive on different devices, ensuring your recipients have the best viewing experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to add beautifully aligned buttons to your Mailchimp campaigns, boosting engagement and making your email stand out. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of Mailchimp's features to bring your creative visions to life.